In this session, we are going to discuss about vector product or cross product of vectors. Okay. See, listen, suppose we have two vectors, vector A and vector B. Then we can define these two vectors product as cross product. And it is defined as magnitude of vector A into magnitude of vector B into sine theta into unit vector n. See, listen, this unit vector n is perpendicular to both vector A and vector B. See, we already defined dot product of vectors. Dot product of vectors is, vector is modulus of magnitude of vector A into magnitude of vector B into cos theta. That is A, B cos theta. Here A, B sin theta into a unit vector perpendicular to vector A and vector B. And I told that dot product of two vectors is always a scalar. At the same time, cross product of two vectors is always a vector itself. Okay. Problem wise, we can find A cross B as, listen, using determinant method. That is, suppose we have vector A is equal to vector I plus j plus k. Vector B is equal to, suppose it is 2i. Okay. 3i minus j minus k. Then A cross B we can find, listen, using determinant form. So first row is always ijk. Okay, there is no change. First row is always ijk and second row is coefficients of vector A 2, 1, 1. Then third row is coefficient of vector B 3, minus 1, minus 1. Then find the determinant value that determines A cross B. Okay. Now listen, I cross I, J cross J, then K cross K. So I cross I is defined as magnitude of vector I into magnitude of vector I into sine theta into n cap. See here, theta is the angle between these two vectors. So these two vectors are same vector and there is no angle formed. That is theta is equal to 0. So what is sine 0? Sine 0 is 0. Therefore, I cross I is equal to 0. J cross J is equal to 0. K cross K equal to 0. At the same time, I cross J, J cross K, K cross I becomes, listen, I, J, K. I belongs to x-axis, J belongs to y-axis, K belongs to z-axis, isn't it? Okay, so when we take cross product of these unit vectors, it is just like rotation. That is, if we take cross product of I cross J, this is equal to K. If we take K cross I, K cross I is equal to J. If we take J cross K, then it is I. Just like a rotation. I, J, K. Take the cross product. I cross J is equal to K. J cross K is equal to I. K cross I is equal to J. Okay, this is in anti-clockwise direction. Suppose we take clockwise direction. That is K cross J. It is minus I. Okay. J cross I. It is minus K and so on. So, keep the order in mind. I, J, K. Cross product of I and J is K. J cross K is I. K cross I is J. Reverse. J cross I minus K. K cross J minus I and so on. Okay. Now, problem wise, while doing the problem, I will explain the remaining results. Okay. So, this is the basic concept to obtain cross product of two vectors A cross B in the form of determinant. Okay. Next, we are going to see some problems belongs to exercise 10.4. See question number 10. Question is, find the area of a parallelogram. Okay. Area of a parallelogram whose adjacent sides are defined by two vectors. Suppose ABCD is a parallelogram. This is vector A and this is vector B, adjacent sides. Vector A is defined as I minus j plus 3k. Vector B is defined as 2i minus 7j plus k. We have to find area of parallelogram. So this is a formula, by heart it. Area of a parallelogram when its sides are in vector form is magnitude of A cross B. Okay, magnitude of A cross B. So first we need to find A cross B. Let's see. A cross B. So determinant I, J, K. Next row, coefficient of vector A, that is 1, minus 1, 3. Third row, coefficient of B, vector B, 2, minus 7, 1. Now find the determinant. So I into, cut this row and column. So minus 1 into 1, minus 1, minus 7 into 3, minus 21. Minus j into, cut this row and column. 1 into 1, 1, minus 3 into 2, 6. Then plus k into 1 into minus 7, minus 1 into 2, minus 2. I hope all of you know how to find the determinant. Okay. Now simplify. I into minus 1 minus 21. Minus plus. So 21 minus 1, 20. Minus j into 1 minus 6 minus 5. Plus k into minus plus. Minus 7 plus 2 minus 5. So this can be written as 20i plus 5j minus 5k. This is A cross B. Now find its magnitude. A cross B is equal to root of coefficient square. 20 square plus 5 square plus minus 5 square. That is 400 plus 25 plus 25. So it is equal to 450. Okay. So this is the area of parallelogram. It's clear? So by heart the formula, area of the parallelogram is magnitude of A cross B. Okay. Question number 9. We have a triangle ABC with the coordinates 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 5, then 1, 3, 5. Our question is find the area of this triangle. Okay, area of this triangle. So listen, to find or to get area of the triangle, see the formula, half into magnitude of BA, vector BA cross vector BC. This is the formula. Okay, vector BA cross vector BC. So we need to find vector BA and vector BC. For this, first we need to write A, B, C. Now this is in coordinate form. So we have to write their position vector. So position vector of A is, just write ijk with these points. 1i plus 1j plus 2k. Now position vector of B. Okay. 2i plus 3j plus 5k. Now position vector of C is 1i plus 5j plus 5k. Now find vector AB. Vector AB is obtained as, listen, position vector of A minus position vector of B. So subtract A minus B. We get I minus 2i minus I minus 3j minus 2j. 2k minus 5k minus 3k. Okay, this is vector BA. Now find vector BC. So vector BC is position vector of C minus position vector of B. So just subtract I minus 2i minus I. 5j minus 3j plus 2j. 5k minus 5k. 5k, yes. 5k minus 5k, it is 0k. Okay. Now find their cross product BA cross BC. So I, J, K. Now determinant -1, -2, -3. -1, -2, -3. -1, 2, 0. -1, 2, 0. Now find the determinant. I into 0 minus -6 minus j into 0 minus 3 plus k into -2 minus plus 2. Okay. So this is minus of minus plus 6i minus of, this is I think plus 3. Okay. Minus 3 minus j plus 3j minus 2 minus 4 minus 4k. Therefore their magnitude BA cross BC is equal to root of 6 square plus 3 square plus minus 4 square. So it is 36 plus 9 plus 16. So 36 plus 9, 45. 45 plus 16, it is 61, isn't it? Okay, so area of, it is BA cross BC. Now area is obtained by half. So area of ABC is equal to half of root 61. So this is the required area of the given triangle. Okay, so by heart this formula. Area of triangle ABC is obtained by half of magnitude BA cross BC. Okay. Another question number 5. 2i plus 6j plus 27k cross I plus lambda j plus mu k is equal to 0, vector 0. So we need to find these unknowns lambda and mu. So we have two vectors and cross product is a 0 vector. From we need to find what is lambda and what is mu. So cross product. So we need to find the cross product. So first row ijk, second row 2, 6, 27, third row 1 lambda mu. Now consider their determinant. So this is I into 6 mu minus 27 lambda minus j into 2 mu minus 27 plus k into 2 lambda minus 6. This cross product is equal to 0. Vector 0 means it is 0i plus 0j plus 0k. Now equate I components, j component and k component to 0. So 6 mu minus 27 lambda is equal to 0. 2 mu, okay, minus of 2 mu minus 27 is equal to 0. 2 lambda minus 6 equal to 0. Okay, because the cross product is equal to 0. So from here, what is lambda? 2 lambda is equal to 6 or lambda is equal to 6 by 2 is equal to 3. We get. From here, 2 mu minus 27 is equal to 0. So 2 mu is equal to 27. Mu is equal to 27 by 2. Okay. So lambda is equal to 3. Mu is equal to 27 by 2. Another question number 2. Find a unit vector perpendicular to each of the vectors a plus b and a minus b, where vector a is 3i plus 2j plus 2k, vector b is I plus 2j minus 2k. So a formula you have to study to find a unit vector perpendicular to both vector A and vector B. Okay, to find the unit vector perpendicular to two vectors is cross product of the vectors divided by magnitude of cross product of the vector. This is the formula. So consider this is vector A and this is vector B. So to find the unit vector, we need to find cross product of these two vectors divided by magnitude. Okay, so instead of vector A and vector B, it is A plus B and A minus B. So here we need to find cross product of these two vectors. Okay, vector A plus vector B, then vector A minus vector B. We need to find the cross product. So first we want to see what is A plus B and A minus B. What is A plus B? 4I plus 4J plus 0K. Just add. A minus B is 2I plus 0J. Then, okay, minus of minus plus 4K. This is A plus B and this is A minus B. Now find their cross product. A plus B cross A minus B. Okay, we need to find cross product of the given vectors. So IJK form. IJK 440204. Now find the determinant. I into 16 minus 0 minus j into j into 16 minus 0 plus k into 0 minus 8. So this is 16I minus 16j minus 8k. Now find its magnitude. A plus B cross A minus B. So this is root of 16 square plus minus 16 square plus minus 8 square. Okay. This is, I think, 256, 64. So it is 576. Root of 576 is 24. So the unit vector perpendicular to, listen, A plus B and A minus B is cross product of the vector divided by magnitude. What is cross product? 16I minus 16j minus 8k divided by 24. Okay. So this is about exercise 10.4. I will give the notes, go through the notes and copy down all the question answers belongs to exercise 10.4 as well as 10.3. Anyway, that's about our chapter vector algebra. Mainly you have to concentrate dot product as well as cross product. Okay.